we are all gathered here to celebrate the Edu Carnival of Grade 3.
The aim is to make learning enjoyable and engaging for students, parents, and teachers by turning it into an immersive experience.
गायत्री मंत्र हमारी प्राचीन संस्कृति और परंपरा का एक अनमोल रतन है। यह मंत्र न केवल हमारी आत्मा को शुद्ध करता है, बल्कि हमें सत्य प्रकाश की ओर मार्गदर्शन भी देता है।
The vision of St. Vivekananda Lotus Valley Public School fostering self-confidence, discipline and compassion in line with the teachings of Swami Vivekananda Ji. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. The mission of St. Vivekananda Lotus Valley Public School is to cultivate strong, compassionate and intellectually individuals who are prepared to overcome challenges, pursue their dreams and contribute to a better world. Swami Vivekananda, visionary leader, played a vital role in shaping modern education in India. He believed in a holistic approach to learning, combining physical, mental and spiritual development. His message of education for all continues to inspire their minds and to lead with compassion and strength. Swami Vivekananda institution was founded by the Honorable Chaudhry Dharam Singh Kapoorji in 1964. He believed in the thought of Swami Vivekananda. The motto of our school is Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is achieved. Someone has stolen my sack of gold coins. What? A theft is my kingdom. This cannot be accepted. Do you have any suspects? Yes. Your Majesty, the suspects have come. Here is the thief. How do you know? Simple, Your Majesty. The thief was afraid whose stick would grow, so he cut 2 inches off before coming here. Oh no. Birbal, tell me how many crows are there in your kingdom? That's simple. If there are more, then some of the crows must have come to visit from our neighboring kingdom. If there are fewer, then some of the crows must be visiting other kingdom. Birbal, once again you have shown us that wit and quick thinking are powerful tools. That's a pizza, and we need to share that among just 2 people. How many slices does each person get? That's easy. We can each take 1 slice until they are all gone. That will take a while. But if we use division to make it faster. Oh, division is just like sharing. Yes, exactly. And now you have understand. Let's do a minute pizza party. Division is sharing things into equal parts or groups. Dividing a number by 1 gives number itself. Very good. Number 2. Dividing a number by itself gives 1. Well done. Number 3. Dividing a number by 0 is 95. Excellent. I hope you all have understood the concept of division and its rules. I am handspan. I have been used by people since ages to measure things. You just have to stretch your hand, measure in handspan. Don't worry, I can help. My name is Footstep. You can measure everything by counting your footsteps. Hello, you can try me. I am Cupid. I measure from your elbow to the tips of your finger. People have used me for thousands of years. I am ruler and I am to bring accuracy to your measurements. Measuring tape, I can measure anything from tiny object to long distance. I can handle it all with accuracy. We are standard units. Ruler or measuring Hobbies are good for life. Activities will always lead you to perfection. Thank you and have a nice day.
They were safe from wild animals and storms, but they were always cold and scared of the dark. One day something amazing happened. Look, when I rub these stones together, it makes a spark.
Dad, it's marvelous right. Wow, this is amazing. We don't have to be cold anymore and we can see the dark.
Fire became a friend to early humans. It kept them warm, helped them cook food, and protected them from wild animals. Early humans relied on their creativity and the sources around them to survive. The wheel was an important invention. It helped early humans carry heavy things and travel to new places.
Look, if we plant seeds in the ground, we can grow our own plants.
We can raise animals to take and keep milk, meat, and wool to stay warm.
We have come so far from cold caves to warm fire, from stone to invention of wheat, and now farming. Now we are living in a place and we will be happy together. Thank you.
Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। जैसा कि हम सब लोग जानते हैं कि गुरु का दर्जा भगवान से भी बढ़कर दिया गया है। इस कहानी के माध्यम से आपको संज्ञा, सर्वनाम, विशेषण और क्रिया के विषय मैं सभी को धर्म की राह पर चलाना चाहता हूँ। मैं सोना प्रांत प्रदेश में जाना चाहता हूँ।
सुना प्रांत प्रदेश के लोग बहुत कठोर है, वो आपको देखते ही अक्षत कहेंगे।
तो आप क्या करोगे? भगवान, मैडम कितने अच्छे हैं, मैम मुझे अक्षत करेंगे किंतु मारेंगे तो नहीं।
अगर वे आपके ऊपर शस्त्र का प्रयोग कर घायल कर देंगे तो आप क्या करोगे?
भगवान, फिर मैं सोचूंगा कि उन्होंने मुझे जान से तो नहीं मारा है ना, यह सोचकर मैं उनसे प्रेम करूंगा।
नमस्कार, मैं संज्ञा हूँ। किसी व्यक्ति, प्राणी, स्थान अथवा भाव या नाम वाले शब्दों को संज्ञा कहते हैं।
आज मैं आपको कहानी के आए सर्वनाम शब्दों के विषय में बताने जा रहा हूँ, जैसे उसे, उनसे, तुम, मैं, अच्छे, प्रेम, कल्याण, अच्छी। जिन शब्दों से किसी काम के करने या होने का बोध हो उसे क्रिया कहते हैं।